no oven in this recipe. To be honest, I have never actually done this before. I hope orchid is not gonna explode or burn or something like that. Anyway, let's see what the ingredients are in the souffle. That's 1 teacup of sugar, that's 1 teacup of milk, that's 1 teacup of oil, that's 1 egg here, and that's 1 dessert spoon of vanilla, that's 2 tablespoons of cacao, that's 1 dessert spoon of baking powder, and that's a bitter chocolate, that's 8 heated tablespoon of flour, and that's it. Let's make it. First step, we are gonna add our sugar to our bowl and our egg and whisk it pour in the bowl. Continue whisking with adding oil, a cup of milk, baking powder, flour, and cacao. Finally, yeah, continue the whisking, mixing the all ingredients. At next, share the dough balls with the head raisins. Then put the better chocolate in every bowl. After that, place the balls to the pot. Looks tasty. And finally, you should sprinkle some custard powder on it. But we have no custard powder on our own.